Cooks. Today we're making air fryer chili crisp chicken thighs. Chili crisp has become really popular. It's almost like today's sriracha. It has shallots and like peppers, and they're really crispy, and it's in like an oil. And this stuff really has taken the cooking world by storm. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So chili crisp is something that's come on the market. It's been around for a long time, but it's just sort of making its way through the mainstream in the US, mainly because of this brand right here, Fly by Jing. This has become like one of the most popular chili crisps that are out there. So these are the three that I have here, and two of these are the big players. So this right here is sort of like the OG chili crisp. This is the spicy version. You can get this fairly cheap at like Walmart. I paid like $2.50 for it. This is the more of a newcomer on the market. This is sort of like the one the foodies like. And this is an interesting one because it is with garlic. And I think I'm going to use this one because I really like the flavor. So one difference is these two have MSG. This one I don't believe has MSG, but it has seaweed powder that gives it a different taste. A lot of people love this. They even put it on ice cream. They put it on eggs. They put it on everything. It has a really distinct taste to me. This one tastes less of that sort of fermented seaweed taste to it, to me. It has more of like how I would describe, like the Seion Goya is what I'm used to, which is like a spiced up MSG. This one is sort of, you know, middle of the road. This one happens to be spicy. This is sort of like a boutique version, and it's a very popular one. Okay, so now we're gonna make our sauce. So I have just a Pyrex measuring cup here. I have some honey. This is local honey.
Hi, honey.
And I'm going to put about a quarter cup of honey in here. So I'm pretty much going to use this to baste the chicken, because if I like marinating it with all this honey and the sweetness, it's just going to burn. Okay, so we have our honey in here. Like I said, I'm using this crunchy garlic. Momofuku actually makes one too, and they call theirs chili crunch, where a lot of these are chili crisp. So one thing about this one is it's a lot more crisp and less oil. So I'm going to put a couple heaping spoonfuls or chili crisp in here. So see how it's like crispy bits of peppers and garlic in sort of an oil base. I'm going to put a dab of soy sauce. I'm going to put a dab of apple cider vinegar. Dab.
That's a dab.
I'm going to put like the juice of half a lime. We're going to go ahead and stir this up. So there's two things you could do with this. You could marinate the chicken in this. If you don't mind if you get a little burnt bits on the chicken at the end, because that honey will give you a little burnt bits. What we're going to do is baste it in this. So if you're like me, I change things up all the time. I'm going to give us a little squirt of sriracha. So I'm making this a sriracha chili crisp. Oh gosh, it smells so good. That's delicious. So let me go get the chicken. Okay, so we have to obviously season the chicken. So I'm gonna put a little salt, because you gotta do that. I'm gonna put some fresh cracked black pepper. I'm doing this kind of fine. Not super fine, but I forgot, usually I spritz it a little bit so the seasoning sticks a little better. There you go. Amy, not doing things in the right order. I'm putting a little granulated garlic. Because granulated garlic is how I roll. It's how I roll. It's how I roll. So we're going to go ahead and flip the chicken. I've already prepped these for the air fryer. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side. And I just did it again. You didn't see that. Granulated garlic. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this chicken in here skin side down. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want to overcook the skin. You don't have to do it this way. Do it however you want, right? Because we will be flipping these several times, because we're going to be about halfway through, we're going to start glazing them with our chili crisp. So let's get this over here. Okay, so we have the Dreo here, and I'm going to put the chicken in here. So with the Dreo, it's really going to depend on your air fryer, but these controls are, we're going down to classic cook. We're going to air fry. And this defaults 380 at 15. It's going to take 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and just raise it up to 25. I'm going to be paying attention to the temp because I'm driven by temp. Well, we're going to go like that. We're going to be halfway through the cook. We're going to start glazing it. So we'll be back. Okay, so we have about 13 minutes left. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. They're looking mighty fine. So we're going to do our first glazing here. That looks mighty fine. We're going to go ahead and give them a flip real quick. Very, very nice looking. Very, very nice smelling. I'm going to go ahead and glaze away. Aren't those looking kind of beautiful? And back they go. Okay, let's flip these chickens around a little bit here. Okay, so we're going to give it a glaze. Ooh, smelling good. Smelling awfully good. flip these bad boys. Bad boys. Like they're running the streets or something, terrorizing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Glazing the chicky. Glazing the chicken. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Yum, yum. Back in. Ooh, look at that. This oven has a light in it. Look at the bubble in there. Look at that sizzling. Ooh. It's looking good.
Smells good.
Okay, so these chickens are looking mighty fine. You think you want to take a taste of one of these, Bill?
Maybe.
One of these fine chickens?
You don't have to ask me twice.
Yum.
Yeah.
And I'll take one of these chickens. Chicken, yum, yum.
Mm-hmm.
So let's take a little taste of the chicken. So that's how the chicken looks. Looks pretty good to me.
That's fine to me.
So the chili crisp is not overly spicy. To me, it doesn't add like a huge, like this spicy flavor to it. I think it's really balanced between having not even warmth to it, just having that umami flavor. It has a little different flavor, I think, because I'm not really like a big seafood or fish eater. As a matter of fact, I don't eat any of it. So when I taste it, I do kind of taste that, but it's really good. It's not strong. If you're a chili crisp fan, you will love this.
Mm-hmm.
Woo, it's hot.
Yeah, I got careful.
The chicken is nice and tender and juicy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Delicious, right?
Mm-hmm.
Air fryer chili crisp chicken thighs. Try it. You'll love it. Air fryer chili crisp chicken fries.
Chicken fries, 5 times the charm.
In an oil. And the chili crisp chicken fries. Chili crisp chicken fries.
Did you say chili fries?
I said chicken fries.
You're getting closer.